Then, after a period of 11 months, he decided now to go to Jerusalem. Now, he had to go to Barcelona from there. When he went to Barcelona, the captain of the ship said, "You need to have money and you need to have some things for you for the journey." But he talked to the captain and he convinced him that since he had no money, he would give him a free passage. But he said, "You need to have some money with you." So he went begging around. He always begged for his food and other things, like the mendicants. But when he came to the ship, he says, "I should be trusting in God alone, not on myself and not on all these things. God is going to take care of me." See how the Israelites, God was taking care of them and they were not trusting in God. So for him, he says, on this journey, I will trust only the Lord. And he kept his money on the bench and he went without it. So this is the kind of inner things that were happening in him. So he began to understand what is coming from God, what is coming from self, and what is coming from the evil one. How? By the inner movements that were taking place in him. Now, my dear sisters and brothers, all of us are also very sensitive to what is going on in us. But most of us are caught up only in our thoughts or in our feelings. They are controlling us. We have to let go of these in our spiritual journey. Otherwise, we remain only shallow. And that's why we are not making progress. Though we are going for Mass, we are doing all the other things. Internally, we have to keep on finding out what God wants. And that is possible through that kind of prayer and fasting, which many of you also do. Yes, and that is how, trusting in Him alone, He will guide us when we call on to Him, as it happened in the life of Saint Ignatius. Another thing which happened to him was, he wanted to have a confessor, spiritual persons. He was looking out for them because there were many people, men who were doing this kind of spiritual journey, living in caves and things like that. And he could not find any. And that time he said, I will trust only in the Lord and I'll wait for His guidance for me. But really, internally, he just let himself completely in the hands of God.